Every move you make, every breath you take. Oh wait, wrong song. What I meant was, he sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. There we go, much less creepy. The point being, Santa's watching our every move, year-round, judging our every action, so we may as well bring that to life. What we're up to today is making everyone's dreams come true with a judgmental Santa. And to accomplish this, we're going to be using something called computer vision, because it's important that whenever there are cool technological advancements, that they get turned into playthings and used for incredibly important projects, like having Santa judge people. So now it's time to introduce all the parts needed for this project. First, we have OpenAI's new vision capabilities. Next, we have a Raspberry Pi, kindly provided by pcbway. Thank you so much. Next, we have a chibi webcam, an external battery, and a seemingly fancy speaker that is way too quiet. I'll work on my announcer voice, and let's go make the project. Now back to you, past me. So with all of that together, Santa will actually be able to see what's happening in the room and make fun of it for real. And what's crazy is that clip with the flashing lights was not staged. That was actually just something we came out to one night in the backyard. Is this real life? Is this what we're doing right now? Alright. Actually, I'm gonna keep videoing, because why not? What even is that? Turns out the battery I used for solar power in the shed has a little flashy mode. Didn't know that, don't know how it turned on. Kinda looked like a horror movie. It's a lot easier to work over here, so we're starting off in my coding workshop. I'll fix it up here, and I'll bring it back there to the Raspberry Pi. And at this point, it seems good. So it's time for Operation Judgmental Santa. Say cheese for Santa. Judge us, Santa. Oh.
Newsflash, buddy. That umbrella has more holes in it than my last stand-up routine.
So the good news is, it doesn't actually think that I'm an umbrella. But the less good news, it's not capturing any frames. So. Alright, let's find out what goes wrong this time. Ready, go. Well, that didn't work at all. Cool. Good. ChatGPT just called me Karen at a grocery store. So it's perfect. It's working great.
Wearing a Christmas sweater that's way too tight. Struggling to balance multiple shopping bags while sipping a giant iced coffee. Did the North Pole run out of hot cocoa?
You got me there, man. You got me. It's not working. It says this is a man in his flip-flops. All the pieces are working, and now they just need to come together, because it figured out that it's a dog and not someone getting coffee. This has been seconds from working since yesterday. That's such a programming moment for you. So I came up with something that I actually think is going to work, and it has two big advantages. One, I can see what it sees. It describes it first and then makes fun of it. And the second advantage is that means I get to pay for the API twice, and that's really great. So.
Well, Santa's got a code-cracking, bow-toting geeky rebel on his naughty list this year. Watch out for the attack gecko. Rudolph might have some competition.
Yes, it's seeing my stuff. It's working. Let's go attach it to Santa. So now it's time to unleash the big ho-ho-ho. That sounds insulting. I'm gonna get Santa. Santa's now ready to be brought to life and in just the way everyone would expect. Ho ho ho. Let's go judge some people. But actually though, I can't think of anyone better to roam the world judging people than good old Saint Nick. Now, if you would, please enter the chair of judgment.
Well, Santa's sleigh might run on magic, but I'm pretty sure that guy's programming skills run on caffeine and chaos.
I feel like it's judging you, not me.
Yeah, it's looking around my man cave. How am I catching strays?
Well. Looks like the fashion police has caught someone red-handed in their sunflower extravaganza.
Rude.
I should be grateful they didn't include any tinsel in their ensemble.
He doesn't like my crazy pants.
Amazing.
Add tinsel. That's what I got from that.
Looks like Santa's workshop took a wrong turn and stumbled into a rock star's den.
Oh. I'll take that. It's not much of a burn. I guess it's just judgment. Alright, I'll take Rockstar. Okay. So our Santa's clearly a little busted up. He got in the fight with the mob and he's missing his mouth. So this seems like the perfect spot for a webcam. That's not creepy, right? Good. It feels like there's a more than decent chance that I accidentally behead Santa during this surgery, so we're gonna keep the camera rolling. Oh boy, how do I even do this? It's getting a little up close and personal. Is this actually working? Look, it's kind of working. Alright, Santa, I'm gonna go ahead and need to place a webcam in your spine. This is perfectly normal. Trust me, I'm a nerd. Alright, we're now doing surgery on your webcam hole, as it's called. So it seems like a webcam in the mouth isn't gonna quite pan out, but I have an idea that is just as creepy. Here you go, Mr. Santa. Perfect. Very nice. Very normal. So now that Santa's ready to rock, it's time to put everything into Santa's satchel of judgment and go make fun of some stuff. Under the beard, that's really not bad. All right. And we've got our not creepy at all little webcam situation. All right.
Oh, what do we have here? Looks like someone's living room escaped the North Pole's strict decoration standards and went for a chaotic Christmas-free look instead.
Oh man, it's a full roast me. That was pretty good, Santa. Rude, but true, we have a toddler. So, all right, come on, puppy. We're going on Santa's next adventure. All right, Santa, let's go judge the world, shall we? All right, Santa, have fun.
Look at all those trees. Santa's just glad he doesn't have to deliver presents to all those chimneys.
We can judge on the go. Let's do it. Especially outside, it was kind of hard to hear, which is at least a little bit funny considering that these speakers were supposedly pretty fancy and turned out to be the only part of this project that wasn't up to the task.
Well. Look at these chickens enjoying their own little gated community. I'm stuck delivering presents to all the good boys in the world. Talk about foul play.
That is way too hard to hear from here.
Well. Looks like someone's trying to get fit for the holidays. Better watch out, cookies. This one's on a mission.
That's right. All right, Santa. Time for a sudden betrayal. It's time to judge the Christmas tree. Do it. I need more clips where we can actually hear you.
Ho ho. Looks like someone got a little tangled up in the Christmas lights and tried to take a picture at the same time.
Yeah, I'm still adjusting you, Santa. Surprisingly judgmental. How'd that happen?
Well, that tree is certainly trying to make a statement with its colorful ornaments, but it's got more mix and match than my naughty and nice list.
Burn! Burn City! And with that, I do believe we've delivered on the one thing everyone really wanted for Christmas. A judgmental Santa. Have a good one. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas.
Well, looks like Santa has competition in the beard department this year. Maybe I should be the one asking for presents.
Have a good one, Internet. If you've made it this far, you probably enjoy this content to some degree and should probably click these buttons down here to, make sure they work and stuff. And also, you may enjoy this video here. It's similar to the one you just watched. Have a good one.